Yes, student, in previous video we discussed about molecule of a compound. Here we discuss about checkpoint burn. Okay, checkpoint burn. The chapter is elements, compound and mixture, which will come in your cyclic test. Okay. Now, first question is, this is checkpoint burn. Checkpoint burn. Give the symbol of the following element. Question is, give the symbol of the following elements. First is sodium, Na. B. Calcium, Ca. C. Zinc, Zn. D. Potassium, K. Okay, potassium is K. Neon, Ne. Hydrogen, H. Hydrogen is H. Nitrogen, N. Iron and uranium. Iron, Fe. Iron, Fe and uranium, U. Uranium is a radioactive element. Okay, uranium is U. Now answer the following question. Question number 2. Answer the following question. Okay. First is compound. So here is compound is a pure substance made up by the two or more elements. Okay, so here we have to write page number 31. Elements chemically combined together in a fixed proportion. Okay, clear? Compound is a pure substance that is made up by more than one or two atoms of elements combined chemically in a fixed proportion is called compound. Some example is NaCl, sodium chloride, hydrogen dioxide, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide. All are compounds. Next is, what is formed when atom of some elements or of different elements combined together? Atom of same element. What is formed when atom of same elements or different elements? When the same elements combine together to form a molecule of an element. Answer is molecule of an element. Okay, same atom is combined together to form a molecule of an elements. Next is, and or different elements combined together, and different elements combined together to form a molecule of a compound. Clear? So this is answer of checkpoint 1. Answer question is 2, part B. Third, C is what is ratio of hydrogen and oxygen by mass in order to form a molecule of water. 1:8. Okay, is it clear? By mass 1:8. In your book there is no answer, but I am here to discuss about this answer 1:8, because the molecular formula of hydrogen or water is 18. Okay, hydrogen 1 into 2 and oxygen 1 into 16, so 2 16. Okay, because 2 hydrogen atom is here combined together to 1 oxygen atom combined together to form a water. Okay, so this is 2 1 ja 2 into 8 just 1:8 by mass, because the atomic mass or mass is hydrogen is 1. Okay, so there are 2 hydrogen atoms here, so the mass of the hydrogen is 2 into 1, because the atomic mass of hydrogen is 1, but there is 2 hydrogen atom is here, so 2 into 1, so the here is 2, and the atomic mass of oxygen is 16. Mass number is 16, or oxygen atomic mass of oxygen is 16, so here is 1 atom of oxygen here, so we have to write here 16, because 1 atom of oxygen, and common, then 1:8 by mass. Okay, answer is 1:8 by mass. Only you have to write about answer number C. Question number 2 answer you have to write only 1:8 by mass. Answer is here. Okay, thank you. This checkpoint have to write in your fair notebook. Okay, thank you and good day. Take care.